welcome back to my channel. I am Beauty by Deanna D, and thanks for stopping by. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, this is a drugstore starter kit, and I was wanting to do one to kick off this year because I said, you know, I know there's some new products that's coming out in the drugstore, so I am going to do a part 2 coming soon, but I really want to get this video up and share with you guys what are some great items that you need to start in your kit if you're going to be a beginner getting into makeup, okay? And if you're new, hit the subscribe button because it is free. If you're on a mobile device, it's right here. Desktop device is right here, and hit the screen. Like, just hit the screen if you're on a desktop device. We're not gonna bite. So today I'm just gonna talk to you guys about my favorite foundations, everything that you need to build that starter kit for drugstore. Alright, so we're going to talk about primers. So we're going to start off with primers, and first I'm going to talk about, first we're going to be talking about is the Clean and Clear Dual Actioning Moisturizer. I love this. This is going to be mentioned in every video because it's like my very favorite moisturizer as of today. Nitra B got me on this, so hey Nitra, she got me on this, and I love it because I do not do my foundation or any makeup process at all if I do not use this product. If I don't use this product, then I feel like I am missing something. You know, you have that moment when you're doing your makeup and you forget, I mean, you do your makeup, you have your routine, and you just miss that one item that is very, very important. This is it. So 1, 2, and 3, it is definitely great. It has 1, 2, 3 steps, by the way. Moisturizes dry skin, treats, helps and prevent pimples, and it's 4 fluid ounces. So I really like this product. You get enough of a product that'll last you for a long time. It helps you with acne, and it does well. If you want another primer, this is the NYC New York color. This is the perfecting primer. It's supposed to allow your skin to be very, very smooth, and it is definitely nice. It even skin tone as well, and it says the smooth skin perfecting primer can be worn alone or under your favorite NYC foundation to extend its wear. Obviously, we all know by now the NYC is not held in stores anymore here in the USA, but if you go on their website, and also if you go like on Amazon and eBay, you really can find this product still to this day. For foundation, I've been really obsessed with the Aqua BB cream. I don't know why I say foundations for BB cream, I don't know, but the Aqua Beauty Bomb Kiss New York. This is the multi-function BB cream. That's a lot. Okay, so I am in the shade medium, and I love it. Dark is obviously too dark for me. I mean, it's in between, but it makes me look more red, and this is like more of a neutral BB cream. But I really love it. I mean, it's perfect. It's lightweight, but it's a lightweight product, but it also gives you full coverage. So you have this awesome guy right here. If you want more of a full coverage, right here, this is the Black Radius Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup. And this right here gives you full coverage. If you have issues with blemishes, acne, any type of problems, I highly recommend you getting this. It works amazing. It's just the best, and it has a spatula applicator. I wanted to let you guys know this doesn't have a pump, but some people prefer pumps, but you can work with it. You can work with it and still get the coverage that you need, because this is more of a full coverage, and then the BB cream that I just showed you guys is more of a lightweight coverage, but lightweight foundation, but it still give you that medium to full coverage. That's where I was going with that. If you want to contour, do you want to contour your face? Ooh, I was so corny. If you want to contour, then you need to try out the BH Cosmetics. This is the contour and blush. I seen so many reviews on this, and you need to go ahead and check it out because this is an Okay, this is an OG. This is a part of the OG YouTube, okay? And I've seen so many reviews and I'm like, should I do a review? Then no, because it's like everybody and their grandma reviewed this, okay? Everybody and their grandma has reviewed this product. So this is the contour and blush, and then when you open it up, you guys, oh, look how massive this is, okay? Look how big, like, you get all of this. Come on, for an affordable price. I love BH. This is awesome, especially for a starter. You got this, and it's amazing. A lot of people think, you know, BH is a brand where, you know, it's kind of like Morphe, but it's not. It's like an affordable brand. It's amazing. You know, you can get your money's worth with this brand, and it's awesome. So don't be sleeping on BH. I'm gonna need you to wake up out of that bed and get on the BH bandwagon. Really good. It's from Black Radiance. It's the True Complexion contour palette. You have, I actually have light to medium right now because dark would be a little bit too dark for me. You have a, let's get it together here. You have a contour shade, then you have a sculpt, and then you have a highlight. I'm wearing their highlight right now as we speak, and I love it. Then it's just it's a palette that every person need right now, but it's so good. They have a cream version too, but I don't go with that cream stuff. I just go with this right here. This is it's a cruelty-free brand. Cruelty-free. How awesome is that? If you're cruelty-free, then this should be up your alley, people. Up your alley. All right. Now I want to talk a little bit about my favorite brow pencil. This is mentioned in every video, so please, I'm like, yeah, so we know. But I have newcomers on here. Okay, so okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon pencils. Now these pencils, you guys, OMG, double H, KP is the best. When I say the best, like, look at that brow. Just look at the brow. Can we just look at that brow? Can we focus on that brow? Please, let's just get in there. Look. Okay, I didn't have to fill it in with any eyeshadow. This is a great brow pencil. It's very, very pigmented, and I love it so much. The e.l.f. golden bronzer. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a perfect bronzer, and it's a perfect highlighter. You can wear this in 3 different ways. You can wear it as a bronzer, you can wear it as a highlighter, you can wear it as an eyeshadow, and you can still slay. Okay, like, and then look at the mirror. Okay, I don't want to blind you guys, but this is a great product, and I seriously, hands down, love it. Colors Pro concealers are the best, hands down, right now in my book. I'm not wearing it right now on the face, but I use it for primer, and I also use it to carve out my brows. But I really love this concealer. It's a very good concealer. It's the perfect concealer for me.
Here's what I found on the web for a very good concealer as the part of the sealer for. Have a look.
Oh my gosh, my Siri just went off. Okay, this concealer is very great. I love it. And I mean, one thing about it, the downfall about this concealer is that you have to shake it up, because if you shake it up, if you don't shake it up at first, it's gonna be watery. But if you really shake it up and get, you know, as much product out, then you would definitely do great. Okay, you would definitely do great with this. But any other time, I don't have a problem with it. I really don't. I don't have a problem with it. It's all right with me. I don't have a problem with it. It's all right with me. So the color Mates in Black, this is their eyeliner. Oh my gosh, you guys, this eyeliner is giving me so much life right now. I still use the e.l.f. one, but this one is giving me life. I think this one is a lot more black in my opinion. It's very much of a jet black, and I love a jet black eyeliner. It's just a bomb. And then also for mascara, Drugstore Rise, I love the telescopic by L'Oreal. Very great, very friendly, and I just love it. What I mean by friendly, you can get that much volume. Sometimes these mascaras I want to have beef with because I don't get that much oomph and that much volume as I should, but this mascara does it. It does it. Alright, so for eyeshadows, I would highly recommend you to try out the LA Colors. These are the LA Colors nude eyeshadow palettes. These are the bomb. This brown and this shadow though, and this brown and this palette is just dope. And it's travel size friendly. I love how it looks on my eyes. I wear it every single time I apply makeup, and it's just a bomb. Love it, okay? It's just a bomb. And then the LA Colors pressed powders are very good. This one is not my shade right now. I do have one my shade, but if I would use this under my eyes, I wouldn't even need a concealer. That's how pigmented these are. And then for the lips. Okay, for lips, I love the LA Colors. This is their matte liquid lipstick, and Illusion is Bae. It's kind of similar to this lip lacquer. I should do a dupe video. Oh my gosh, look at the comparison. Like, no wait, it's a little too dark. It's darker than this. It's a little too darker than the e.l.f. one. But but it'll be good for a good combination. Like, and I dropped it almost, but it looks good. You know, if I can pair it up, you know, it'll be dope. It'll be nice. But that's, before I get finished, these lashes from LA Colors. These are the Dramatic Lashes in Dolly. And I love these lashes. Like, they're amazing. You can't go wrong with these lashes. Alright, you guys, those are my drugstore must-haves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up and let me know what are your drugstore must-haves and what you think I should try in the drugstore. Alright guys, I gotta go and I will see you soon.